Hello friends, today lecture discussing the classification of data structure. There are data structure. There are two types of data structure, primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure also classified in linear and non-linear data structure. Linear data structure is also classified in static and dynamic. Static linear data structure is defined in array. Dynamic is also classified in linked list, stack and queue. Non-linear primitive data structure is defined as tree and graph. Let's discuss one by one in brief. First one is primitive data structure. Primitive data structure, it is the basic data structure. It is directly upon the machine instruction. It means integers, floating points numbers, characters constant, string constant and pointer. It is a primitive data structure. Next, non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure are created with the help of primitive data structure. These primitive data structure are more complicated than primitive data structure but highly useful. The non-primitive data structure, it is also divided in and also classified in linear and non-linear data type. Let's discuss first one, linear data types. Linear data types is called as linear if all of its elements are arranged in the linear order. In linear data structure, the elements are stored in non-hierarchical way where each element has the successor or and predecessors except the first and last element. The various types of linear data structure are: first one is array, second one is stack, third one is string and fourth one is queue. Let's discuss first one is array. Array. Array is a collection of similar data types. Each data item is called as element of the array. Array representation in data structure: declare data type integer, then array, then value is assigned is equal to array representation. Next string. String is a the elements of array share the same variable name. Each one carries different index numbers known as subscript. It can be array, one-dimensional, two-dimensional or multi-dimensional array. Its third one is stack. Stack is a linear list in which insertion and deletion are allowed at the one end called the top. First one, discuss the stack. Stack, there are three function is useful in stack representation, that is full, then next one is empty, and last one is pick. This is the three function is used in stack representation. Pick function is return the stack is full or rare. Second is full function is return the value is insertion of the stack, its value is written the 1, otherwise 0. Next is empty, it return, then stack is empty, the return is -1 value. Last one is queue. Queue is linear list in which elements can be inserted in only at one end called a rear and deleted only at the other and called a front. Stack is enter the value is LIFO, that is last in first out, and queue is the FIFO, that is first in first out methodology for storing the data items. Next one is non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure does not form a sequence, that is each item or element is connected with two or more other than items in a non-linear arrangement. The data elements are not arranged in sequential structure. There are two types of non-linear data structure. That is, first one is trees and second one is graphs. Trees are multi-level data structure with a hierarchical relationship among its elements known as nodes. Each node contains called a leaf node. Each node contains pointers to point adjacent nodes. The bottommost nodes in the hierarchy are called a leaf node, while the topmost node is called as root node. Tree data structure is based on the parent-child relationship among the nodes. A tree can have more than one children except the leaf node, as each node can be at most one parent except the root node. Trees can be classified into many categories, which will be discussed in the next one is graph. Graph can be defined as a pictorial representation, that is the set of elements represented by vertices, means connected by the links known as the edges. A graph is different from tree in the sense that a graph can have cycles while the tree cannot have the one. Next, operations on data structure. There are 6 operations, that is traversing, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and merging. First one discussion is traversing operation. This data structure contains the set of data elements. Traversing the data structure means visiting each element of the data structure in order to perform some specific operation like searching or sorting. This is the traversing. Next one is insertion. Insertion can be defined as the process of adding the elements to the data structure in any location. Third one is deletion. The process of the removing an element from the data structure is called as deletion. We can delete an element from the data structure at any random location. Next one is searching. Searching, the process of finding the location of an element within the data structure called as searching. There are 2 algorithms to perform searching, that is linear search and binary search. Fifth one, sorting. The process of arranging the data structure in a specific order is known as sorting. There are many algorithms that can be used to perform sorting. Example, insertion sort, selection sort, bubble sort and so on. And last one is merging. Merging, when 2 lists A and B and N respectively of similar type of elements clubbed or joined to the produce third list. This is called as merge.